To try to get more seniors vaccinated faster, Quebec is going against federal advice. It has decided to offer the Oxford-AstraZeneca vaccine to people across all age groups, including those over 65. Heather Yourex-West explains the decision and how it compares to other provinces.
In Quebec, the race to protect its oldest and most vulnerable residents from COVID-19 is on. The province says it will use all vaccines available on this population, including the Oxford-AstraZeneca vaccine.
We have actually data from other countries too, even UK, and others are using it after 65.
Last month, the National Advisory Committee on Immunization recommended the AstraZeneca vaccine not be used on adults over the age of 65. Quebec is the first province to ignore those guidelines, basing their decision on emerging data from other countries that has not yet been peer-reviewed.
The information that we have about the AstraZeneca vaccine is that it is very effective at preventing deaths and hospitalizations.
Across the country, rollout plans for the AstraZeneca vaccine vary significantly. In order to get this vaccine in Manitoba, you need to be age 50 to 64 with a medical condition. But in Alberta, you have to be under 65 and healthy. Ontario, just between the age of 60 and 64. While BC has chosen to give the vaccine to essential workers who may be more likely to transmit the virus.
We are planning to use the initial shipment of the AstraZeneca vaccines to address our ongoing clusters in outbreaks that are leading to some of these rapidly increasing numbers in some places, some communities.
When vaccine is in limited supply, who you vaccinate is really important because we're trying to prevent hospitalization and death.
It's why ICU physician Dr. Michael Warner believes the AstraZeneca vaccine should be carefully triaged and given to those who need it most.
We should actually be taking the vaccines to those people, making sure the most vulnerable people who have health problems, high exposure risk, and then age get vaccinated.
Especially as some regions see COVID-19 numbers start to rise. Heather Yourex-West, Global News, Calgary.